Fun day of trading this morning. Yesterday, the markets ended up rolling over. If you remember, I was short a little early, but they ended up dumping all afternoon and all overnight session, leading to us opening pretty down today. We had a nice rebound up to the top side, or a nice push to the top side, with Delta looking super strong. Was able to execute on a trade there. I grabbed over 20 points. So let's go and dive into that recap here. Please sit back and enjoy. Well, I was a little early yesterday. Ended up dumping very nicely, obviously, also into the overnight session. Currently down about half a percentage point after a nice rebound off of 340. Up 80 points off the lows. I'm gonna put some levels on the chart real quick. From a daily chart, this is what it looks like. Obviously a nice flush yesterday. Kind of pushing the bottom of the range again. Bouncing out of it so far. We'll see what happens. If you didn't know, Friday or Monday is President's Day here in the United States. If you're not a U.S. citizen, what that means is it's going to be an early close. I think I'm still going to stream, but we'll see. We'll see what the session brings. Kind of setting up, honestly, looks decent for the longs. Morning, just passed 150K account. Went with the pro. Yo, GG Zeus. Congratulations on earning your funded account. If you didn't know, it's a two-step process. Pass step 1, pass step 2, prove to them that you can trade and that you can manage risk. They'll give you money to trade with, and you get to keep 90% of the profits that you make. If you're interested in that, it's first link down below. That was a really nice push. I mean, Delta's looked really good. It's just I thought we were going to clean out that stuff at the lows on the ES, and we didn't do it yet. Feels like VWAP's inevitable, especially with this double top on the ES. Kind of holding us up, but we'll see. Would be down for a 40 buy potentially. Long one from 41.75. Volume, the cluster. Want to see some buyers really step up here and push us back into 60 and a VWAP, but who knows if that's going to happen. Keep it as tight as I can while giving it a little bit of wiggle room to try and play out. All right, trying to run the double top on the ES here. Got close. No cigar yet. Nasdaq 50. ES trying to push the double top. There it goes. Kind of a quick sweep though. Trying to be a little patient here. There's the VWAP test. So looking for a NAS VWAP now. A little bit of sellers trying to step up also. Trying to be patient. Got volume now at 70 on the ES. We got that junk at 75 to get through, but it's just not happening yet. So 10 points up to 10 points down. This is still a fine spot for me. 30s is fine. So nice bounce off the wick and off the level at 66. Pushing back into point of control, trying to push VWAP again. Feel like this time we probably bounced through it, but we'll see. Want to see the 75 push on the ES. NAS want to see us continue grinding as well with the ES pushing higher, but still just having a little bit of a hard time. Want to see definitely some more buyers step up here. There's the push through VWAP this time. That's good. Want to see us go push 76. And we have a block at 80, 250 block at 80. Bring in the NAS with it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop in here. $300 positive. I don't really want to watch that just go all the way back down to minus $300. So I'd like to see the 70s get touched here. ES closing above VWAP is good, or even just like being above VWAP is good. The NAS just needs to follow through and get to it. The ES is still strong though, pushing 76. Missed that by like a tick. I'm gonna go and just kill it there. I missed my exit by a point or two, and it was right into that 76 level that I was talking about for the ES that I wanted to see. But when we trade 76 on the ES being the level, value area high, the block, etc., that it's typically usually going to reject in some capacity. If the ES is going to reject that spot, it's going to bring the NAS down with it, especially when the NAS is obviously heavier than the ES right now. The NAS couldn't even get above VWAP, right? So if the ES is going to reject here, it's definitely going to bring the NAS with it. And if I miss my fill by 2 points like I just did, then it's definitely not worth me holding on to that trade looking for those 2 points when the ES is at a spot where it's going to reject. It's going to bring the NAS down with it because the NAS is heavier than the ES right now. And we saw that happen. I mean, I saved myself almost 15 points, 20 points there.